Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix a broken sword in Minecraft. Let's get into it. First, get your supplies ready. The first step is to gather the items you need to do the fix. You cannot fix a tool with nothing in your hands, so you need to find the right materials first. Look in your storage boxes for the same material your sword is made of. If you have a stone sword, get some cobblestones. If you have an iron sword, get some iron pieces. Because you need the right parts to fill in the cracks of your broken tool. You have to have these matching items so the computer knows how to put the sword back together. Without this step, you would be trying to fix your tool with the wrong parts, and it simply would not work today. Next, use the repair table. You need to find crafting table or an anvil that lets you combine items and fix things that are worn out. Walk up to your repair table or the heavy metal block on the floor. Click on the table to open the small boxes where you can place your items. Because you need a strong place to work on your gear. This table is the only spot where you can join two things together to make them stronger. It ensures you have a safe area to do the fix without losing any of your important materials. Next, put the items in the boxes. Now you are going to place your broken sword and your extra materials into the right spots so the fix can happen. Place your broken sword in the first box and your extra material in the second box. Watch as the third box shows you a brand new version of your sword that is no longer broken, because it shows the computer exactly what you want to do. By putting the items side by side, you are telling the game to use the new material to fill the holes in the old sword. It is the key step to getting the right output and making sure your sword is strong enough to use again. And that's it. To fix a sword in the game, you must first gather the right materials that match your tool. Then, you go to your repair table to start the work. Next, you place the items in the boxes to combine them. Finally, you take your new sword and put it back in your bag. I hope this helped you out and I see you in the next one.